Let's talk about the latest launched Realme smartphone C63 with magic glowing design. Now let's talk about the specifications of this smartphone. Firstly, talk about the display of this smartphone. This phone features with IPS LCD display, with 6.745 inches HD plus water drop notch display, resolution of 720 by 1600 pixels, 20:9 aspect ratio, approximately 90.3% screen to body ratio, approximately 260 ppi pixel density, 560 nits peak brightness, 90 Hz refresh rate, and with scratch-resistant glass protection. And now talk about the camera of this smartphone. The smartphone with AI dual camera setup on the rear that includes 50 megapixel wide-angle camera. Along with auxiliary lens, for selfies it has 8 megapixel wide-angle front camera, video recording. Maximum 1080p at 30 fps on rear camera, and 720p at 30 fps on front camera. For the software, the handset turns on Android 14 operating system, based on exclusive optimized version of Realme UI 5.0 screen on top the device. Under the hood, the phone CPU is octa-core 1.8 GHz dual-core Cortex A75 plus 1.8 GHz hexa-core Cortex A55, powered by Unisoc Tiger T612 chipset, paired with Mali G57 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone plugs with 6 GB, 8 GB of RAM, with 6 GB, 8 GB of extended RAM, and 128 GB, 256 GB of onboard storage, which is further expandable up to 2 TB. Dedicated micro SD card slot. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 167.26 by 76.67 by 7.74 mm, and it weighs around 189 or 191 grams, and the color options leather blue, jade green colors to see in this smartphone, and the device comes backed by a massive 5000 mAh battery, with 45-watt fast charging support. Additionally, the smartphone also features side-mounted fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication, with face unlock. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 4G, dual-point Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.0, GPS, 3.5 headphone jack, mono speakers with 200% Ultra Boost speakers, USB Type-C charging port, IP54 dust and splash resistant, and with NFC. So now let's have a look at the pricing details of the smartphone. The Realme C63 has been priced for 6 GB plus 128 GB storage variant at 1,999,000 Indonesian rupiah, while the 8 GB plus 128 GB storage variant at 2,299,000 Indonesian rupiah. Conclusion: so what do you guys think of this Realme C63 smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and subscribe for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.